We made them. Perfect, because I have my tripod. We can take some photos. Okay guys, we're here. Pretty Rocks. And it's windy as hell. And I'm getting a little chilly. But it's like still sunny, so it's okay. We could have parked so much closer. Man, I'm fucking walking. Hey y'all, while I'm breathing heavily into the mic, do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a video. Follow me on my social medias, you know what I'm saying, Instagram, TikTok, at IMMYDNIGHT, and yeah, enjoy this vlog. It's windy as fuck, but we've been like so cold to the point where my hands are like actually burning. That's how cold I was at a certain point to this trip, so this really isn't a thing. It's still cold as fuck, but it's not like I ain't about to die. Okay, you guys. We came, we saw, we conquered. I may or may not have made my friends wait for me while I took a bunch of photos. But it's like I never got to do this one. It really sucks, it's so cold, but it is January. It's freaking windy. So if you hear like all that wind, I'm super sorry about the wind. But it's legitimate enough I can do about it. It was fun. It would be way better to come back in the summer, but it might be crowded. I mean, look how crowded it is now, and it's cold as hell. Guys, we semi-jogged back. I'm tired as fuck. We're like holding on to each other, trying to breathe, trying to go. My nose is pink. I did not put blush on my nose. Is it pink? It's just pink on its own. My lips are really pink, but I don't even have lipstick on like that. It's a mess. So, did you have a good time?
Yeah, I did. Did you?
No.
You fucking lying.
I had a great time. Yeah.
We're waiting for our friend.
For the beers, and maybe I will get out.
Maybe.
But maybe it's Maybelline, so
Hey.
I'm not getting out.
They have a Jaws lunchbox.
Wow, it's crazy. I didn't like the movie.
I've never seen it.
It's about sharks and shit.
And killing people with big chomp jaws. Now,
welcome to Alien Fresh Jerky. 61 degrees. Is it really? I thought it was 40.
No.
What's the degrees?
My car says 62.
Oh, my phone said 40. It must have didn't refresh it. Hey, this is nice. The snooze thing in this whole neighborhood. I like it.
I like it, lady.
Oh, it's like a truck.
Yeah, like
it's like an alien space army truck. I just copied everything you said after you were saying it.
All right, let's roll.
It got pistols.
Not even.
Oh, girl. Almost ran right into you. Chakra long shorts. Yes, serve it, giving legs, giving body, leg, body, yes, body, yes, body, body, give it, serve it, eat it. $11 each or 2 for $20.
He said the hottest one.
The hottest one?
Which was the hottest one?
Okay, Alien Extreme Hot Beef Jerky. Sounds hot. This one sounds hot. Alien Extreme Hot Beef Jerky.
Taking a picture.
Yeah.
That's probably the hot.
Or Southwest Hot.
But I think that one would be the.
But I think that's might be the hottest one.
He said he thinks it's called Extreme Hot or something.
Then it's this one. Yeah, that's that.
He said 3 bags of it.
Or Weed Killer Hot Beef Jerky. These are the 3 hot ones. Weed Killer. Does it have a Scoville unit measurement? It doesn't. Yeah, I think it might be this one. Yeah, they don't got no Scoville unit on it.
Oh yeah, he said yeah.
Are you getting 2 of them? Oh, 1 for you. You might forget.
Hey guys, let's get some Venom Extreme Hot Sauce and taste it.
Did you want to get one?
Get one of what?
The jerky?
No.
I thought you said you wanted to get jerky. You know what? I'll get one.
You get one. I'm gonna taste yours. No Venom hot sauce. Y'all suck. Don't get nothing hot.
No, I was gonna
Get something like, you know, teriyaki jerk barbecue sweet honey.
abducted cow beef.
But that's pineapple.
That's too sweet.
Get what you want. I'm gonna taste it. I didn't even ask you, but I am gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste
I
it.
need teriyaki.
Look at these little men. Look at these.
I'll get sweet. I'll get sweet and spicy.
Look.
You said nothing spicy, but I'll get that.
Hi, Itza.
Oh, it's simple. I don't know how I'm gonna send you the rest.
They have these at
You sure, nah? Shit. I want to share. Let me get some of that. I don't want to share.
It's all like a damn cat.
Okay.
Bro, I want to pee, and then I'm out of here. Eddie's World. Welcome. Our videos. Guys, look at all the stuff. Paint with water. Hey, look at this, y'all. They got a paint with water set. This is all you. Comes with a brush. You just put water.
That's crazy.
It's a special brush.
For little kid, not me.
It's for you, bro.
No.
My first paint with water.
Girl, that's not my
I just like these puzzles. Even as an adult. That reminds me of the towers in Inglewood. Is it Inglewood? I don't know. Inglewood. They have all types of shit here. Nuts. Pillars. There's a restaurant we use before we go to. They have a cleaning set for kids. My baby sister. That's funny. There's like a lot of plushies and children's candies, children's toys, so much candy here. They have coffee, they have actual drinks, licorice, ice cream, another coffee, and then the jerky. Ooh. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then don't forget to like the video and make sure you subscribe, comment, and share the video with all your friends and family. Turn on your bell notifications so that you're notified every time that I post a video.